My faith in humanity is restored. Musk after winning defamation case after a U.S. jury found that Elon Musk did not defame British cave explorer Vernon Unsworth by calling him a pedo guy on Twitter. The Tesla CEO said, "My faith in humanity is restored." The 48-year-old billionaire argued that he did not intend to call Unsworth a pedophile, but instead was using pedo guy to mean creepy old guy. Our 4.4 crore customers are using leaked passwords. Microsoft has discovered that over 4.4 crore users of Azure and Microsoft Services accounts, MSA, are using leaked credentials to log into their accounts. The Microsoft Identity Threat Research Team checked over 300 crore credentials obtained from different breaches and found a match for over 4.4 crore user credentials. We force a password reset for such accounts, Microsoft said.